Google Maps is a web mapping platform and app developed by Google. You can use it to explore new areas with Street View, which offers 360-degree panoramic images of streets. Google Maps offers features like saving favorite places, sharing your location, downloading maps for offline use, and checking the speed limit of the road you're on. Google Maps provides a variety of maps, including satellite imagery, street maps, and 3D models of buildings in some cities. You can share your real-time location with friends and family. Google Maps is free to download and use on most devices. You can download maps for areas you know you might have limited internet access. Google Maps is a powerful tool for navigation and exploration. You can find businesses, restaurants, and points of interest near you, complete with reviews, ratings, and opening hours. Google Maps boasts a massive database of roads, buildings, parks, and other geographical features. Google Maps offers turn-by-turn navigation with voice guidance, live traffic updates, and public transportation directions.